This video is in partnership with Mayvenn Hair.
I'm back. Okay. Hey, you guys. Crickets. Is anybody even still subscribed to this channel? That's the real question. I'm back. Have you missed me? I don't even know the last video I recorded on here where I was like speaking, vlogging. I think I uploaded a few short videos, just like brand stuff, brand work, but I never, it might have been a year now since I recorded a YouTube video. But I'm back! Aren't you excited? I'm excited. I can't wait to, if I'm showing up today, if you see this video live right now, like right now, it means that I plan on being consistent, okay? So I'm back, and I'm back for good. Let me see the last video I made. Can you like hand me my phone? They can always cut that part out, so that's cool. Let me see. I think that's why I held the phone last time. The last video I recorded was that wasn't like a short snippet. Oh my goodness. I think it was during COVID. And you people just keep subscribing. Thank you. So so it was like 11 months ago, almost a year. Wow. Wow. I have not tried. Anyway, I'm here and I'm trying now. The issue is like, you know, editing videos takes a lot of work. Okay? Work. And I have the kids, the 2 kids, the husband, the work, the job, the cooking, the cleaning, the everything. And although I usually have help, editing is still a lot of work. So that was kind of what was deterring me from showing up. But I'm figuring it out and I'm here now. Without further ado, I do need to let you guys know before I get into like an update. This will be like a life update. It'll be like a life update. Yeah, a life update. I'll update you guys on everybody from me to my husband, Gasimu, to Layla, your little niece, to Lena, who you haven't seen much of, your little niece. To just life influencing, which has changed a lot for me throughout the past couple months. Yeah, but before we get to that, I do want to tell you guys about this hair that I've been wearing. Not this hair, but let me show you. So, here's the packaging, actually. It's Mayvenn Hair. Have you heard of it? This is my first time using this hair, but man, it's been good so far, girl. So I had my hairstylist make this wig for me, which I need to get like washed and styled. I'm not washing and styling. I'll let you guys know about my life right now, how I don't want to do a lot of things. I want to outsource a lot of things because I just don't have time. I only have 2 hands. I'm only one person. Me too. Anyway, so I will show you guys how we revamped this wig. I've only had it for a couple weeks, but I'm not good at curling and all that stuff, so I'm gonna take it to Yalamba and she's gonna do it for me. And once I look presentable with the wig on, I'll continue the video and tell you guys all about my life, give you guys all the tea, you know? So you two, you guys sip. Okay, let's go get this hair done.
So you guys, I'm starting off by washing the hair. My hairstylist made this wig for me a few weeks ago and I've been wearing and rocking this thing. It has made my life so much easier as a mother and physical therapist and content creator. I need to have my hair done a lot of times, especially for these pictures. So here, what you're seeing is my body wave. This is the natural black 22-inch version, 24-inch version, and 26-inch version Peruvian body wave bundle by Mayvenn Hair. I will actually go ahead and insert some photos that I posted on Instagram showing my hair when I first got it done. It was so cute. My stylist put some curls in it. I really love this hair because it has a lot of body to it, hence a body wave, but it's not too flat and you can do a lot with it. Even when I wash it and dry it, I can just wear it like that. I don't even have to put curls in it, which again is perfect for me as an on-the-go mom. I need easy things in my life, but I still want to look cute, you know? So I'm very grateful for Mayvenn Hair and their hair options because they allow me to do so effortlessly. And look how easy it is to wash. Watch how it looks when I lay it out for you guys. Take a look, take a look, take a look. Yeah, so good. Also, if you notice in the water that it changed color a little bit, it's because my hairstylist actually dyed this. So it is a bit darker than it comes out of the package. So that's why the water had a little tint to it. So see how I'm kind of being like rough with it? I'm not babying this hair. I don't need to because it's good. It's great. I'm just going to leave it here to air dry and we will be back in a few hours to get this bad boy done, but not on camera. Next, I'm going to go get my other wig by Mayvenn Hair. This one you don't want to miss. Good morning, you guys. Don't I look like morning? Do I look like morning? Do you see the bags under my eyes? I hope you guys can hear me. But I was saying good morning and asking if I looked like good morning. You know the look, you know the bags, you know the vibes. You just know what it is. I'm going this morning to pick up my assistant Ama, and we are going to head over like an hour away to Spring, Texas, or the Woodlands. But wait, there's more. You know I couldn't just get one wig. I like to switch up my style, even though I'm a busy mama, on the go, doing all the things, content creator, physical therapist, daughter, wife, this, that, you name it. Probably like you, probably just like you. Whoever's watching this video, you sis, I'm just like you. I'm busy. So I had to get another wig because while the other wig is drying and getting, you know, washed and cleaned, I still need to look cute. Am I doing too much? No, I am not doing too much. Anyway, here you are seeing my stylish, my stylist. Her name is Yalamba. Check her out. I'll leave her information in the description box as well. But we are using the natural black 24-inch virgin Brazilian. Let me say that again. The natural black 24-inch, 26-inch, 28-inch Brazilian straight bundle. So 3 bundles of that with a lace frontal closure of 18 inches. Now I haven't gotten actually this was literally my first time getting my hair done professionally with a frontal. And doesn't it look like it's coming out of my scalp? I am amazed. OMG. Thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna snap back and be at my house. Thanks so much for coming along with me as I got my hair did. Thank you so much, Mayvenn Hair, for sponsoring this video. The hair, you already know. I mean, if I really edit the vlog correctly, or if the video turns out the way it was in real life, the hair is bomb. My stylist was pleased. I am beyond pleased. This is actually my first time getting my hair done with, you know, like the baby hairs on fleek. And I like it. I love it. I love it. It's so cute to me. It's really nice. It's flowing. It's silky. Check it out. Check me out. You know, we're slaying. We're slaying today. Anyway, I just wanted to say I'm back. I'm back to doing YouTube videos. I'm back to vlogging. And I'm very excited. I know I've kind of done this whole, almost like a life update type of situation before, but I really didn't want to return to YouTube. YouTube is like my heart. Like this is where I started with the whole blogging or influencing or content creating. That's what I'll say. Content creating, because I didn't know what I was doing at the time. I was just doing it. But this is where it all started with me. You guys, especially the ones who have been here since day one, you already know about me being pregnant with Layla, me having Layla,
my labor and delivery, then getting pregnant again, moving to a new state. I live in Houston, Texas now. It's just like my life, you know, my baby shower, which was the very first video that kicked the whole thing off. And yeah, so I'm really excited. I didn't want to return to YouTube until I had a game plan, because I already know how y'all are set up. I know what I would prefer to see from my favorite YouTubers, and I didn't want to be in and out. I don't like to be inconsistent. So I knew I couldn't handle everything that came with YouTube on my own. So I've just been trying to get a team together, a team of people who can help me out, and I think I got it. God has been good. God has been great. And I have so many updates for you guys, but I don't want to ramble on. I really just want you guys to ask me, like, what's new, what's with this, what's up with that, and I can do another video where I spill all the tea, because you know, I'm in the business of doing that. So, ask me. I'll tell you right now, the family's doing great. We're living in Houston, Texas now, which I know you guys know just from the last few vlogs that we did. The girls are, I feel like one is right here, about to open the door. The girls are doing great. Hubby's doing great. My mom is here with us, although she's leaving for Africa in a couple of weeks. But yeah, all is well. I just wanted to pop in and let you guys know that I'm coming back. So be on the lookout for more videos. If you are seeing this video today, that means I have videos already lined up. Period. Period. That's what the girls say, right? So be on the lookout. Put on your notification. First of all, if you're not subscribed, you're probably not even seeing this video. Crickets. But subscribe if somebody sent this to you. Paco, business. I don't know. Subscribe to the channel. What are all the things? Like, comment, but actually comment or send me a DM if you follow me on Instagram. I'll put my Instagram stuff in here as well. Send me a letter. Send a bird to drop the letter. Send me something, like mail me something. My kids. Okay. Send me some type of note asking me a question about something, and I will answer what we're doing, where I'm working, how the influencer thing is going, tips, tricks on that, parenthood, motherhood, lifehood, self-carehood, blackhood, because we need a lot of notes on that too. But yeah, I will see you guys in another video. If this video is out, like I'm saying, you will see another video very soon, probably within a couple days. So be on the lookout. Thank you for all your love and support. Keep enjoying the wedding videos, because I see the analytics. I know y'all are enjoying all the weddings, but thank you. And shout out to Mayvenn Hair. If you want to get some of your own Mayvenn Hair tracks. This is actually the straight hair. I'll do a more in-depth review on this in another video, but yeah, it's great hair. I have the body wave one as well. Pictures on Instagram. If you follow me there, you already know. But yeah, check it out. I'll put my code in the video so you can see it. When you buy your hair, you can get a percentage off. Welcome to motherhood and YouTubing. Thank you guys for watching.